So this is the pile of fabric that I've inherited. Some is my own dresses that I've had on Vinted that I never sold. And because I've got a few bits of green, I thought I'll add to the green. And I don't know if I used that one, did I? Yes, I did. So I just decided to start cutting into them, which was a bit like, eek. But yeah, I needed to get strips and I thought, oh, we're not going to do them with the scissors, it's going to take me all night. So I just decided to rip them, which was so nice. So satisfying. So I was just ripping these away. Oh yeah, so I was just going to take a few of each bit of fabric. So that's like green with leopard print, black on it. And for the best results, 7-inch strips by 1 inch wide. So I was cutting them into place for now. I think I'm just going to try a little bit of each fabrics to see which ones that I like before I cut everything up to shreds, in case it'll do for another project. And I've got this box off my daughter with a lot of presents in for Christmas, so I thought I'll collect all my scraps in there. And this is the heart-shaped frame I've got. It's got 3 lots of wires going round, so I've got 3 lots to cover. So I'll go on the inside one and then the middle one. So I'm just doing the double knot with each piece of fabric to see what they look like. I think they were a bit fiddly as well. Oh yeah, knotted them twice. So I'll do one on the inner circle, one on the centre circle, and then one on the outer circle. So I'm just going to get some of the green satin one that set it all off. And I didn't want to use too much of all of the fabrics. Like I say, I'm just trying it out, because I thought that would be nice to make some scrunchies with. I've also got some purple and other colours. Just looking at the back of my head there, you can see my bald spots. And I started getting this bloody hot flush at this point. So that was nice. But yeah, chemo wasn't nice to me. I think I was getting hot and bothered. And I've got two circular cutters. I don't know what they're called. This one just wouldn't rip. So I was a bit like, gonna have to cut them with the scissors. This is the hardest part. And I was hoping that the kids would come round and give them a job to do, because it'd be ideal, something like this, for the teeny boppers. I'm just making sure that I've got the right lengths, and then I'll put them into place in a minute. Yeah, but I do like that green satin. It's lovely. So the dresses I have, that sparkly green one there that I've just cut up, it's itchy, so there's no way anybody could wear it. It's just got like this sparkly stuff in it. I wasn't actually loving this wreath the whole way through. I thought, I wish I'd picked brighter colours, because I like the green in my mind. I wanted it all to match, and I wanted it all be similar colours. But you'll see in shortly what I mean. So yeah, I'm just fastening them all on to see what they look like. So this was like a shirt dress that I've never ever worn, but it was nice. It's got leopard print, and the green satin. It's thought, oh, it'll look really nice with this. It'll go, and it was one of them, you know, because it's a shirt dress, and by the time you wrap it round, it was really short. So I thought, I'm never going to wear it. So I was just taking off all the edges here and making sure that it was all nice and straight. I do actually get into a rhythm of how to bloody cut it towards the end. And I did break. That's what I was going to say. I've got two of them break things, and I've ended up breaking them. So I've sat down now to have a little look through my ribbons to see what I've got that'll match. So if I was doing it for Christmas, I'd have picked them Christmas beads and the red ribbon. I thought would have went nice with the green, but it's not for Christmas. It's for the start of the year. So I found this nice, it's like olivey colour ribbon, so I'm going to use that for it. And then I've also got some cream ribbon as well, and I thought the cream will break it up, because it was starting to look like a lot of it was quite dark, the fabrics. So I'm just going to tie them in to see what it looks like, and then I think I've got enough strips. So in all, I fastened on about 300 strips and bits of ribbon, at least 300, because I'd done one full side, and I think it was 150, and then I pushed, like, you can have it spread out or pushed together, and I pushed all mine together, so you couldn't really get much more on. So I just fasten it with a double knot, and then pull all your ribbons and that to the front. So yeah, I'm just having another little, put some down the bottom. But once I knew I was happy, then I could go in the living room and watch some telly while I do the rest of this. Yeah, so just double knotty and pull it as tight as you can. So finally, so start away doing it quick. So I've done it, I've cut the piece, the main piece, into 8-inch thickness, and then going across, I only have to cut up like 1-inch sections. So I finally got it just at the end. I had to do it quick. Apart from the one that I could rip, that was the easiest part. But yeah, that was the only one I could rip. This is the one that was itchy. So you can see it there, it's sparkling. I wasn't quite happy with what it was looking like, so I took the scissors to it. And I thought, I could just trim. There was a lot of long ends and odd ends that I wasn't happy with. So I thought, I'm just going to snip them off. And this is when I was Edward Scissorhands. But I am a hairdresser, so it's maybe the hairdresser in me that decided to have a good go at chopping away the long ends. So I did feel a bit better then once I decided to see there's like too many long extra bits. So I got in there with the scissors and neatened it up. And there was some frayed bits that I took a lighter to and just, you know, like it melts the ends of the ribbons. So I done that for that last little bit. So it made it a lot neater then, and I could cut it into like it looked more of a shape. And then I hung it up and took some photographs of it and had a few more snips just to neaten it up. You could see them odd little ribbons, but it's a nice close-up. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.